and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy bags for the month of March. Is that right? March 2022. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. I do makeup related material on my channel. I do unboxings. This is my husband Aaron, by the way. He helps me do unboxings, and I also am agoraphobic, so I do talk about agoraphobic issues on my channel as well as mental health issues.
I get some issues too, but there's really not enough space on the channel.
If you're interested in any of those topics, I highly suggest you hit subscribe. I would love it if you did, at least. And then hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video.
If you're interested in seeing how our Ipsy bags turned out, then stick around.
Because we are getting right into it. Okay, I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video and spending some time with us. We really appreciate you, whether you are a returning subscriber, friend, or returning visitor, or if you are new here, we just appreciate you.
Even if you're
so
some
much.
sort of internet bot, still, we appreciate you.
Thank you. Okay. What we do is we both have Ipsy bags, and these are what the bags look like for this month. They say power moves. I think I have a suspicion that there is another bag floating around out there that says Discover on it.
Yeah, they showed it on the website or whatever when they showed the contents.
But I haven't seen anybody get that bag.
The bag is a lie.
It's just plain on the inside. The bags used to say Ipsy on the inside. It's kind of a faux leather feeling bag with a neon yellow zipper with a zipper pull that says Ipsy on it. And you can put your hand through that part. So, you get 5 sample size items, and you can pick one of your items. The bag is like $13, I believe. And we play Ipsy versus Ipsy, where we see
the products against each other.
See who has the better
See which
Ipsy
one
bag.
is stronger.
And we do it item by item, and beauty wins over skincare. Skincare wins over hair care. And
Hair care wins over foot care.
And then there's wild card items like nail stuff and things like that.
It's a very complicated set of rules that we mostly make up on the go.
And first we put up our choice items against each other. And I think we picked the same choice item this time. Every time there's a choice, every time there's a brush item. Every time there's a brush item, I always pick the brush. You always usually pick the lipstick.
I don't think they had one.
You don't? This brush, I don't know if I like this brush that much. I don't know. I don't use these type of brushes that
The
much.
kind that's real stiff on there. It's kind of got some stiffness to it.
I like these kind of brushes for in here, but I like them when they're a lot smaller. So, I don't know. I'll find some use for it.
So we got a tie on that one, I guess.
So, that's a tie product. Okay.
Should we read the descriptions there?
Okay.
Or you've got different ones than me.
That was MSRP for $12. It was the Hip Dot shading brush.
And just to make sure that we all understand the theme here. Power moves. Who runs the world? You do.
No, you do.
You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss. whether it's sticking to a self-care routine or kickstarting the next big thing.
Okay, whatever.
We'll share it. We'll share the world.
Okay. I have my first item. I'm just going to go down the list here. My first item is the It Cosmetics CC
Your skin but better.
CC cream with SPF 50 and light.
Skin in a bottle. And mine is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Stop. Watermelon.
Okay, I'm going to see if this even... It looks pretty dark. And it's not very full.
Definitely smells like watermelon. See?
Yeah. I don't know if you can see that.
Get the experience of just cutting a watermelon open and just taking half of it and just rubbing your face in it.
Yeah,
Except in a little tube form.
I'd experiment with this,
Kind of
but
an odd shade.
that is not light. I know I put in my profile that I'm light, and this says
Hey,
light.
don't look at that profile.
But this looks light, but
Yeah.
that's not this color. Okay. I'll put it on for a video. But
Well, I think you win that one anyway, even though you're not sure about it.
you think I win?
You win that one, yeah.
Okay, I get a point.
Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Refreshing, hydrating, and perfect under makeup. This multitasking primer checks all the right boxes. It uses a combo of hydrating, hyaluronic acid, and brightening watermelon extract to make your skin smooth, bright, and prep for makeup. Prone to excess shine, use this primer to replace your moisturizer. The Deluxe sample of the MSRP, the full-size version of this product, is $28.
Okay, I'm not going to read about this It CC cream. Everybody knows about the It CC cream.
Everybody knows.
Okay, the next product I have is the Sarly Beauty Tequila Highlighter in Blanco.
Ooh, tequila.
I don't know, that might be kind of dark for me. I don't know.
And I have
I don't know if I should.
the It Cosmetics Superhero.
You definitely
Elastic
win that
Stretch
one.
Volumizing Mascara Mini. You want this, don't you? You want it so bad.
I do.
You can have it.
Oh, thanks. Do you want this?
No, it's okay. I just don't. I have a couple highlighters. I never get around to using them. I usually in too much of a hurry at that point.
What is
Hey
it?
y'all, you want long, lifted, defined, and strong
I'm gonna open
lashes? This go-to size mascara will instantly lengthen your lashes while building them up. It's made with an exclusive elastic stretch technology and super-powered biotin and peptides to help strengthen, polymers to lift, and collagen to help plump. Tip, start at the base of your lashes and wiggle through from roots to tips. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, I was just kind of poking it in my eye randomly. It's good to know these things. Deluxe sample MSRP, the full size, this version, 9 grams, is $25. Well, ain't that just a deal and a half?
Okay, the next thing I have up is Winky Deluxe Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer in Light Beige. Now I know.
Perfect.
Oops. Okay, I know that light beige is definitely not going to be my color. Wait, that is lighter than the CC cream.
See, that's all this. You don't know what light beige means to different companies. They just need to put like the hash code, for the color shade, like on websites.
That might actually work.
RGB color.
Okay, I like this. What do you have?
I have the Honey Cherry Lip Sleeping Mask in Lemon Honey. Winter weather can wreak havoc on lips. Isn't that in the case? Yeah. And which is why we can't stop using this nourishing overnight treatment. It deeply hydrates and helps restore lips while you sleep so they're smooth, plump, and flake-free come morning. Tip, apply a thick layer to clean lips for bed help lock in moisture while you sleep. Honey. Honey. Does it smell like honey?
I smell it.
Yeah.
Do you use lip masks?
Not really.
Are you going to use that?
Probably not. I'll let you have it.
I'll take it. See, I like everything in
I
his
can't really
bag.
fall asleep with a lot of heavy stuff.
I love lip masks. Okay, who won this one?
I think you did, because that's actually one you liked there.
I like both of them.
Okay. Well, you win then. If it's a tie, the prettiest one wins.
Okay, and last of all, I have the Polar, the genuine Lapland hand cream. I already have this, so I'm going to throw it into, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to throw it into a giveaway or something like that.
Veritable creme. 3 Arctic berries.
It doesn't have a smell to it.
Can I try this one?
You want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
My hands get dry a lot. All right, and what I've got Half Caked in Bloom Powder Blush in Freshly Squeezed. Just squeezed it right out of whatever you squeeze blush out of. Say the color.
Freshly squeezed.
That's not a bad color. This isn't one of those blushes that disappears from your cheeks halfway through the day. You hate that, bro? I hate that. This long-lasting, richly pigmented power formula is infused with primer, so the poppy peach color is guaranteed to last for up to 12 hours. Tip, use a fluffy makeup brush to sweep color onto your cheeks, bro. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah. All right, then.
I think you win because it's makeup.
Well, all right. I'm willing to accept that.
Count up the points. I don't know who won.
You did. I think you had 3 and I had 2.
Did I?
That's my best guess at it.
So we tied. I won. You won.
And then you won.
Are you sure it's not a tie?
We got 5 things. Oh, of course, we did 2 and 2 maybe and a tie. So maybe it is a tie.
Let us know if
We managed to tie.
let us know who won. Okay, so I got the light Ciate Cosmetic CC cream with SPF 50. I got the Sarly, whatever, Beauty Tequila highlighter and Blanco. I got the Hip Dot shading brush. I got the Winky Deluxe Paper Perfect under eye concealer and
Paper perfect.
light beige.
We'll perfect your
And
papers.
I got the
You got the right. You got that.
I got
you
the
got that. Yeah.
Polar, the genuine Lapland hand cream.
Genuine.
And I'm sorry, I didn't read the description to any.
All right. I got the little brush, the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I got this lip sleeping mask, this tiny little mascara in it, just the cutest thing. And this In Bloom Freshly Squeezed blush. I think that's it.
Okay,
How do you like your bag? Is
I
it
like-
a lovely bag?
I think overall that you won because I like the items in your bag better than my bag.
Well, fair enough. Either way.
So I think you won.
I get the plaque this week.
You've been winning a lot lately. So,
It's all in my power moves.
okay, I really want to swatch this blush.
All right. I'll swatch mine too. I'm gonna swatch something.
I mean, this highlighter.
I never swatch anything.
This highlighter. Yeah.
I can't get it open. All right, now I'm gonna swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it. Just watch me swatch it.
Yeah, that's too deep for me. That's a shame.
Oh, that comes out pretty bright. Go easy on it. Yeah, I forgot that like their stuff tends to be sample size mostly.
Yeah.
Because I was going through this and I'm like, deluxe sample, deluxe sample, deluxe sample. What is this? I'm used to when you're looking at like the BoxyCharm stuff where you get the bigger stuff.
Right. This lip mask smells really nice.
Yeah. Definitely did smell like honey.
Okay.
Like bees crawling all over your lips at night.
Okay, do you get the Ipsy Clam bag? Did you get anything that we got the same?
Did you get the other bag, the mysterious
No,
other
did you
bag?
get the mysterious other bag? Leave us a comment down below. Let us know. And what did you pick for your choice item? Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And like I said, leave us a comment. Tell us how your day is going. We love hearing from you. And yeah, so we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today and enjoying your weekend or week whenever you are watching this. And if you're not having a wonderful, fantastic day, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have one. And if you're having an especially hard time, remember we are thinking of you and sending you out those good vibes. And remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And okay, I will see you tomorrow for my Mask Monday. And just stay well until then. Okay, alright, goodbye.